Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a soup with some meat and veggies. It's super delicious and very healthy. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut some ribs. I'm using pork ribs, a half of a kilogram. And then let's put it into a pan with more or less 2 liters of water, and let's boil them for 30 or 40 minutes. In another pan, boil some water and cut the skin of 3 tomatoes. Then put them into the boiling water for about 2 or 3 minutes. After, you should be able to peel the skin off easily. Then cut it into small pieces. And then add it into a measuring bowl and let's blend it. 350 grams of potatoes cut in small pieces and 1 onion small pieces too. Then let's grate 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper cut into small pieces. Now let's fry the onions with some olive oil till they look golden. Then you can add the carrot for about 2 or 3 minutes, mix, and then add the red bell pepper and fry it for about 3 or 4 minutes. When they're all done, set them aside. When the ribs are done, take them out and let them sit. But don't waste the water. Let's boil the potatoes in it for about 15 to 10 minutes. Now let's skin the ribs from the meat and cut the meat into small pieces. When the potatoes are boiled, add the tomato sauce and mix it. When it boils, add the meat. Then add 80 grams of thin pasta and let it boil for 5 minutes. After, you can add the veggies. Then add some spices and pepper and salt. Then let it boil again. But before, you can add cut of some parsley. Now let it boil and then let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes and you can plate it. And this is the result. It's super healthy, delicious, and smells incredible. It's such an easy recipe, you could do it in a few minutes and enjoy it later. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.